let's talk a little bit about connecting to comma separated value files, CSV files, or Excel files using R, yeah, in R, either through Jupyter Notebooks or RStudio. 90+% of all the data that you will be accessing, whether it be downloading off the internet or people give you some files, will be in the format of a CSV or an Excel file, and just 90+%. Yes, you will get some database, but more often than not, the raw data will be given to you via a CSV or an Excel file. So connecting up to them is a very important first step. Yeah. So fortunately for all installations of R, they come with some default packages that's already installed, so you don't have to do much work in terms of installing packages and those kind of things. So for CSV files, all you need to do, and I'm just gonna give it some, give it a name, just give it a name like what I'm gonna download, and read.csv. Here's a key though, make sure that you have the exact location of your file on your computer. How can read CSV find it, right? So on my computer here is users open desktop, right? This is my desktop on my computer's here, yeah? So I'm just gonna paste it in, yeah? I'm gonna surround it over here. Now, one little catch over here, it will be looking for, default characters over here. So what it does is it kind of, it does that. I'll show you the error. I'm just going to leave one out over here. And I'm going to put in the name of my file, which is example.csv. And this is going to be an error message, right? So I'm going to go and run it, and it's going to say, unrecognized character over here, yeah, like this, right? Escape character, right? Right. So you have to put in two, right? Is it what is known as escape character because that's the way we're finding it. So now when I run it, no error message, and then I'm going to type in, see if I got the data. I'm going to run it, and this is it. And if I look in my CSV file, that's what I have right now. That's what I have. Yeah. So, and again, it works exactly the same copy inside of RStudio. Yeah, and I'm going to go and enter key, data. Okay. Now, connecting up to an Excel file takes a little bit more work, and it requires it requires you to have the application they're using, in this case is Jupyter Notebook, to have the package downloaded already. So if you don't have that, then and the way to test that, if you come to library.read Excel, right? And you go, I'm going to run it. And if it doesn't give an error message, that means it's there. Now in RStudio, it's a different. So if I type in library, read Excel, is going to give me an error message because it's not there. Yeah, like this, yeah. And again, like this, or actually, is it there? Yeah, there. So actually, if it's not there, then what you have to do like this: install packages. I think it's because I had it installed before. Yeah, read Excel. So I like this. I get restarted, and then it's going to do like this. It's going to go and look all over the place for it. It's not error messages over there, and it should be fine, right? Okay. So then to read this guy, you just have to, and I'm just going to give it this name this time, give it another name just because. And then I have to type in read Excel. And again, you have to go in the location of it. So I go a lot of stuff over here. Extras. Then I come here Oh, sorry, run. Read Excel, open. Oh, sorry, shucks. mpg.xlsx. I don't know how. Yeah, like this, right? Okay, so like this, right? Okay, this is the MPG file here. And then I'm going to run it. And then to see if I got it, I'm going to type in my DF, which is, and then I'm going to go and run it. And I have my file here. Yeah. Okay, now, again, it should work exactly the same inside of our studio. But one more step over here, I have to do my library. Read Excel. Okay, good. I'll paste it in over here. Let's go see. Yeah, and I type in DF, and I have the same thing. So that's how you connect up to. That's how you connect up to a CSV or an Excel file using R, either through Jupyter Notebooks or RStudio.